Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Enamorador knot. That's Spanish for Valentine. That's your word for the day. So let's take two ties, put them both on my left side of the belt line, as is the norm. So let's go ahead and put in a dimple. Bring both of them over to the center. We're going to come up and over here like this. Alright, one skinnier tie and one fatter tie is good. You don't really get the effect with this one, but that's a good setup to have. So I'm going to take these two like this, and then I'm going to bring them back around, kind of fold them like that, and bring them back around the back like this. So then I'm going to bring them back up and both down like that. So we're already kind of starting to form somewhat of a shape of a heart like that. So then I'm going to bring the bottom tie, which is on my right, and I'm going to do a wreath around the bottom, and then I'm going to do another wreath underneath that. We're going to come underneath here like this. We're going to do a wreath with the top tie now, which is on my left side, and then we're going to come under the bottom like this. So there you have it. So again, to see the picture of this knot, go check out my Instagram at SimmonsEssentials so you can have the full effect there. So again, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.